What's up, guys? LegendaryBroz Sully here. Today we are playing Teardown. So yeah, so I'm gonna do some fun. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, share, share, right to some fun. But as you can see, the mods are loaded. It did take a little bit to load, but whatever. But yeah, so what do we have to do? It's been a while since I played this game. So let's actually destroy a modded building. That would be fun. Let's see. Let's go ahead and go to content. And let's do Creeper Facility. Could be fun. Uh, but also now I'm thinking about it. Dynamic. This one would also be fun too. Let's try this. So for this video, we're gonna pretend that all of a sudden a fire started in the office and the whole building just got. And so we're gonna see what exactly happens. So we're gonna set up how I think the fire would start. I know, comment y'all's ideas for starting a fire in the building. Yeah, you go to jail. You be pretty good. And of course, this game is not real, but you probably already know that. I'm just not gonna do it. All right. I'm just gonna put. Hopefully, this doesn't lag my computer. Still loading. Any day now. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh. Not even. I wonder why it took so long, but maybe we should try a shorter one because that is way too laggy. Let's try that again. Let's do that. But this time let's just make it small. Okay, let's do small, no ground. Small, I'm pretty sure no ground. No, I want to do the one. Let's just do that. Dude, 4 minutes of the video has just been loading. Still waiting. It is still very laggy. Oh well, I guess we're just gonna have to use it, I guess. Let's turn that on. I'm gonna start the phone out right, I'm gonna break this window and hopefully the whole building doesn't collapse. Because it is dynamic. Alright, make it clear. Alright, now we're gonna pretend like a little thing blew up and then go ahead and grab our like bomb. Okay, I guess I did catch things on fire. And I guess we'll just use our bomb. Oh. Definitely dynamic. Oh, you can hear the fire alarm. It's catching on fire. Right, now let's blow a hole through the building. Let's go ahead and enter flying mode. You know what? Let's just begin the process. Actually, I think it'll begin. Actually, you know what? Let's use the glare. Spread the fire even faster. Maybe that was fifth. Or we just used third. We also could use that thermite cannon we have. It is so laggy, bro. Thermite cannon. Where's the thermite cannon? Ooh, wait, airstrike. We could use airstrike. Grab some napalm and we'll just go ahead and just spread it all over the place. Not all over, but where the fire is. To help it be even more deadly. There I can. What's that side of the building? This is starting getting boring. So I say we hack the vehicles. Alright, what should we use? Someone good. Ooh, a cinematic bomb would be nice. How about... Yeah, now that's a lot of damage. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that goes to the target. The whole building's on freaking fire right now. Cinematic bomb didn't help either. Maybe a black hole could do the job. There's gotta be a mega cube. Man, shoot. This whole building is just freaking destroyed. Oh, the black hole's absorbing everything. Oh my god. Hey, at least it reduced my lag. But everything's just getting sucked in. Ouch! Ouch. Okay, anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, share, make sure you're going to the on, share, and Jimmer. Should you guys like this video, love you, stay sweet, bye. Link up. Bye, guys. Bye.